Alright y'all, welcome back to Mastering Mayhem. We appreciate you guys tuning in. Today we're going to unbox the M12 3-inch multi-material cutoff saw by Milwaukee. Let's go ahead and get this thing unboxed. Okay guys, here it is. It's the Milwaukee M12 Fuel 3-inch compact cutoff tool. Model number right here, 2522-20. This package only comes with the tool, but it's okay because I got my 12-volt impact driver right here. We'll use this battery. So pretty excited about this cutoff wheel. Let's go ahead and zoom out a little bit. Optimized for one-handed use, multi-material cutting capability. And it fits all M12 batteries. We should have a cutoff tool, a diamond tile blade, a carbide abrasive blade, a metal cutoff wheel, and a dust shoe. Get my mini samurai out here, and let's go ahead and get at the top. I think it's just one piece of tape here. Cut that, put that aside, and let's go ahead and open it and see what the contents are. This is a new tool by Milwaukee. As you guys can see right there, we got everything out. All the wheels come in one package here, one Ziploc bag. You got your 3-inch 20,000 max RPM on this cutoff wheel. This is for drywall, plastic, and fiber cement. Then this is the 3-inch diamond cutoff wheel here. And then we have the 3-inch, 3/8 arbor size metal cutoff wheel. Those are the 3 wheels it comes with. This gives you a little list of all the M12 stuff that Milwaukee makes, which is, I'm sure I'll be collecting all these eventually, or most of them. And then of course the instruction operator's manual right there comes in the packaging. This is the dust shoe, and you can take the cap off right there, no problem. And then it does have adjusting capabilities, and then it has a nice little plastic window here, but we'll look more into that as well. That's a nice feature that the RIDGID does not have. It does not have a dust shoe. It does come with the Allen wrench, and this looks like the 7/16. Yeah, 7/16 here in the Ziploc bag, and then the actual tool itself should have the 3/8 arbor. So we put that away. So Allen wrench and 7/16 arbor attachment there. And now let us go to the main event. Oh, does it have a sticker? Oh, you can win an oh, well, shoot, I'm gonna have to enter this t-shirt. See if I can get this M12. Or Milwaukee, if you guys could just send me one, that'd be great too. I'll wear it on all my Milwaukee reviews. So if it can do the job that I need it to do, I want to go with the 12-volt. Alright, so here is the 3-inch multi-material cutoff saw by Milwaukee. Very compact, very comfortable already. Just, it's incredible. And then it's got a nice air vent here. And this is the lock button here when you want to take the arbor off so you can get the disc on. You got a forward reverse button right here and a lock button where it locks the trigger. Let's go ahead and take this arbor off, and then we'll put a disc on here, see how it does. So what you do is you push this black button in here to lock it. So clockwise it loosens it, and then counterclockwise to tighten it. That's pretty awesome by Milwaukee. Okay, and we got that. I don't know if you guys can see it, but right there it does say 3/8 arbor at the bottom. So it is 3/8 as it should be, or most discs are, or the 3-inch discs are 3/8 inch size. And you just pop that in place, put the top flange back on, put the screw on. This lets you get it nice and tight, just like that. It does have the battery gauge here, indicator right here at the top. Let's go ahead and put in that 12-volt battery and see how it does. So you got the forward to the left and then reverse to the right. I like the way this one sounds. It's almost like it's a higher RPM. Yeah, very light, or at least, let's see if we can, I don't know, I'd say they weigh about the same. I think maybe this one's a little heavier, the RIDGID, because it has the 18-volt battery. I don't know, I think the motor on the Milwaukee is bigger. Just from looking at the casing here, this guy is bigger. So this is how the RIDGID sounds. Has a different sound completely. Milwaukee almost sounds quieter to me. And the RIDGID just has this guard here that can slide up and down. And then of course the cover can swivel this way and that way, right? And then again, sorry, I keep going back to the RIDGID because I want to do the comparison video right now, but I won't. So as you can see here, does this also, yeah, so this guy can spin a certain amount here, about halfway around the disc, so that's very nice. I love the way this one sounds though. It just sounds a lot more eager to cut the metal and the plastic and the wood or whatever. Okay, so it's not a variable speed trigger according to what I consider. So it just amps up. I just barely push it. It'll amp up all the way to the max RPM, whether I pull the trigger in all the way or not. Whereas the RIDGID, again, has a variable speed trigger where it'll go slow and then you increase. See. So I don't know how important that is to you guys, but that's a little bit of a difference there on the RIDGID. Okay, so as you guys can see here, my battery's almost fully charged. It's got 3 lights, and then you got the LED light, nice and bright. So let's go ahead and put this dust shoe on and see how that looks. So what you do is you take this dust shoe and just kind of put it like that. Take your Milwaukee cutoff tool and just kind of get the blade in there and the back end first. You guys can see that, and then it just kind of goes up, and you can actually, there's a little lock button here. This button will lock it into place, and it's already secure, so it won't come off even when you basically loosen this back up to shut it. And this is a fine depth adjustment dust shoe as well, so it goes by 1/4 inch increments. It's a nice window there where you can see if there's any debris clogging things up or whatnot. So the next thing I want to show you is the difference in weight with the dust shoe on and without the dust shoe on in comparison to the RIDGID as well. Okay, so I got my Cen-Tech digital scale here. I'll include the link in the description below. So let's go ahead and weigh it. And the total weight on this guy is 2 pounds, 7.6 ounces. Alright, so that's with everything included. Let's see the difference. So 2 pounds, 7.6 ounces. So 2 pounds, 9 ounces on the RIDGID device. And that doesn't even have the dust shoe. It does have the little guard here, and it does help with the depth adjustment. But it does not have any indicators or markings on the depth. So let's see how much this weighs. How much less it is than 2 pounds, 7.6 ounces now that we've taken off the dust shoe. Not even 2 pounds, very close to 2 pounds. It's 1 pound, 15.8 ounces. So if you want something a little lighter, a little more compact, you definitely want to go with the Milwaukee. As far as the durability and the ruggedness and the grip, they both feel great. The Milwaukee is more compact. They're both $99. The RIDGID one was $99. The Milwaukee one's $99. And then we'll talk about the differences between the two as far as warranties and whatnot when I do the other video. The main goal I have for these videos is to show, for those people that don't really care to have the 18 volt or 20 volt tool, if you can get the 12 volt tool to do everything and more than the 18 volt can do, then why not just go with the 12 volt, get the job done. And most of the time the 12 volt is going to be less expensive than the 18 volt. If it weighs less, more capabilities, more functions, like this one again comes with the dust shoe, whereas the RIDGID only comes with this guard here. Stay tuned for the next video where I'm going to compare the two. Thanks for watching this unboxing. I appreciate you all out there. I'm going to continue to make videos, and the more you guys show me support, the more motivated and more consistent and more eager I will be to continue making these videos. So once again, here at Mastering Mayhem, we are always looking for the best tools, tech, and the DIYs and deals to make life a little easier and work more efficient. So until next time, I only hope the best for you and yours.